This video is going to show you how to set up the arms and screws that you've received in your kits in order to attach a radar detector and at the same time attach a dash cam or action cam to your road spy. The first thing we're going to start off with is the dual mount 3.3-inch arm. That's the arm that has the 3 sets of GoPro knuckles on it. And we're going to grab the radar detector adapter. It doesn't matter which type of radar detector you have because they all mount the exact same. Basically, you'll add the adapter to the end of the 3.3-inch dual mount arm. You'll grab one of the small screws and place a small screw into the hole so that the adapter is secured. Then you're going to grab the other 3.3-inch, one of the other 3.3-inch arms. It only has 2 sets of GoPro knuckles. You're going to add that to the 3.3-inch dual mount arm. Notice that this part is thicker, that's pointed towards the windshield. The thinner part is pointed towards the driver. So we'll take another one of the shorter screws and we'll secure the 2 knuckled 3.3-inch arm to the dual mount. We'll take care of that. And then the next step is we're going to take the reverse direction arm. You'll see that this arm reverses directions for you. And since we're going to mount this on the top part of the arm, we're going to have this thick part pointed towards the left or towards the driver. And then we'll take another one of the short screws and we will secure that arm into here. And then the last item that we're going to place on is going to be the adapter that you received for your dash cam or your action cam. If you have a GoPro, you can just mount it directly to this, but if you don't and you have another type of device, go ahead and place it so that the mount is pointed towards the back of the car or facing the back of the car. And then you can take that other one of the short screws that you have left and you can put it in that hole right there and secure that mount. Now, that's basically how the setup is going to look like. You can tighten these screws after you've already placed everything up there. You can get them moderately tight before you do that. And the final thing is with the long screw here, you are going to attach that part directly to the road spy, directly to your rear view mirror, basically. So those 3 knuckles for the GoPro that accept the GoPro arm, you'll put the 2 knuckles from the 3.3-inch dual mount arm. You'll take the long screw and put it into place there, tighten everything down with a screwdriver, and that's what the setup will look like once it's completed.